Good morning, students, class here. Now today we are again to proceed geography chapter first, and our topic is on the classification of natural resources on the basis of utility. On the basis of utility, natural resources can be classified into two categories: renewable resources and non-renewable resources. Renewable resources means the resources which can be renewed quickly. Renewable resources means the resources which can be renewed quickly, and the process by which they can be renewed are mechanical, chemical, or physical. Means by the mechanical process, by the chemical process, or by the physical process, the resources can be renewed. Some of the renewable resources like solar and wind energy that are unlimited and are not affected by human activities. That's why it is also known as inexhaustible resources. Inexhaustible resources. Due to pollution, deforestation, and illegal hunting of animals by human beings, many species of animals and plants are either extinct or about to be extinct. Water is a main renewable resources that is getting polluted on account of human activities. After that, non-renewable resources means the resources which cannot be renewed are known as non-renewable resources. The resources which can't be generated are renewed. Once the stocks are exhausted, it may take thousands of years to be renewed or regenerated. That's why these non-renewable resources are known as exhaustible resources. For example, we can say coal and oils. Coal and oils. After that, on the basis of distribution, natural resources which are available widely but they are not available everywhere. The distribution of natural resources are not equally distributed, that are distributed here and there. Either the natural resources are ubiquitous or localized. The resources like air we breathe in the sunlight that are found everywhere, that is known as ubiquitous resources. While the resources that are not found everywhere but in certain places like gold, silver, iron, coal, these are localized resources. After that, human made resources. The resources which are created by human beings. The resources which are created by human beings using their knowledge and skill are known as human resources. Natural resources in crude from meat or may not satisfy human need. Human beings consume natural resources for the production of innumerable articles to be used like buildings, monuments, roads, machinery, vehicles, etc., which are known as human made resources. After that, human resources. Human beings are the greatest resources on the earth. Humans are also a greatest resources on the earth. They are in a position of making the best of the natural resources through their skills, knowledge, and technology. Whatever the technology established in our society that has been created by the humans. That's why humans are known as a better resource. Education and health help in making people a valuable resource. Better quality of people will contribute to proper utilization of resources. In this way, an important role in resource development is played by the humans or human beings. Thank you. In next video, we will complete this chapter also.